The Garmin Vivoactive 5 is here, and it's shaking up the smartwatch world. Positioned against the Garmin Venu 3 and even some Forerunner models, this is a contender among the best running watches at a fraction of the price. With a stunning AMOLED display, 30-plus sports tracking options, stress and sleep monitoring, and notification functionalities, the Vivoactive 5 is more than just a fitness tracker. It's even stepping up as an Apple Watch competitor. At just 11mm thin, the Vivoactive 5 is lighter, slimmer, and sleeker than its predecessor. The 42mm size, combined with a silicone band, makes it incredibly comfortable for all-day wear, even overnight for sleep tracking. The Gorilla Glass 3 protection keeps it durable, though the slightly raised design does make it more prone to scratches. 5 ATM water resistance means you can wear it in the shower or take it swimming, pool, or sea, no problem. The 1.2-inch AMOLED screen is a game changer. It's bright, colorful, and ultra clear, even in direct sunlight or underwater. Compared to previous MIP displays, this one's more efficient, enhancing both visibility and battery life. The high resolution means more text fits on the screen, making notifications easier to read without reaching for your phone. And with future updates, we could even see Ring doorbell alerts on the Vivoactive 5, just like the Venu 3. With over 30 exercises to track, including running, cycling, swimming, golf, and yoga, the Vivoactive 5 delivers serious fitness versatility. Health tracking is where it shines. Heart rate monitoring, pulse ox for oxygen levels, respiration tracking, body battery for energy insights. However, it lacks training load and performance condition metrics found in higher-end models like the Forerunner series. While the GPS acquisition is slightly slower than the Forerunners, once connected, it's accurate and reliable. The Elevate V4 heart rate sensor delivers precision tracking, though an upgrade to the V5 sensor found in the Venu 3 would have been nice. During workouts, the touchscreen is reserved for switching data screens, keeping things smooth and smudge-free. Swimming accuracy is solid, tracking stroke changes and laps with impressive precision. Music lovers will appreciate onboard music storage and Spotify and Deezer support, though you will need a paid subscription to save playlists offline. Garmin Pay has now rolled out in the UK, allowing for contactless payments. Notifications are simple but effective. WhatsApp messages, weather updates, and more, keeping you connected without distractions. Battery life, up to 11 days in smartwatch mode. That's a full week of use, even with several GPS-tracked workouts. With music, expect around 6 hours of GPS tracking and 18 hours without music. It's not the longest-lasting Garmin, but for its size and features, it holds up incredibly well. At $249, the Garmin Vivoactive 5 delivers top-tier fitness tracking, a beautiful display, and a lightweight design without breaking the bank. While it lacks some premium training metrics, it's a fantastic choice for active users who want a versatile, everyday smartwatch. So if you want Garmin's tracking power at an affordable price, the Vivoactive 5 might just be your perfect fitness companion. And that's a wrap on the Garmin Vivoactive 5. Let us know, would you pick this over a Forerunner or an Apple Watch?